Hey y'all, so listen, I am on my way. Hey y'all, I am on my way to Michael's because I heard a little birdie told me that Michael's has fabric. So I'm gonna go inside Michael since I'm currently outside of the shopping center that Michael is in. So I'm gonna go inside Michael's and see what they have. Let's see if they have some fabric, some yarn, everything. Okay, I'm gonna be checking everything. So let's go ahead and go inside now. Hey you guys, so today I'm in Michael's and they have some stuff on clearance. Now you guys have been loving my Joann's little scroll videos and updates on Joann's and what's going on with the whole sales that was up to 50% off, but my yarn girlies was in the comments like, yo, these sale prices is not selling nothing. So I went over to Michael's to see if I could find some yarn and everything else, and yarn is on clearance. So let me show you what I see. All right, so this is at Michael's, and what I'm looking at is, this is called latte cakes, I guess is what it's called. These are on clearance for $7. Like, let me show you. Let me zoom in. Let me show you. So this is $7. They also have the plush big yarn right here. This is also $7 right there. So run over to Michael's and see if it's a sale. I don't know, simply because I am not a yarn person. So yeah, you're gonna have to look and see. Now also at Michael's, these are $5. I don't think that these are a sale, but y'all gotta let me know in the comment section below. Are these little scrapers from Fiskars a sale? I don't know. I have never seen these, but first time. $5 clearance. Let me know. Now for my individuals who does ribbons and stuff like that, Michael's have ribbons for $4.99. Now if you are into ribbons and you do scrapbooking and stuff like that, then this may be the aisle that you want to go to in Michael's. Let's continue. All right, so I'm in Michael's and I am right over here by their storage. This is the Simply Tidy storage, and this is on sale for $79.99. Let me show you guys what I'm seeing. It's $79.99 there. Let me turn the camera around so you guys can see this. So like I was mentioning, it's $79.99. I know it was like a little bit more at Joann's. It's a 12-drawer roller cart by Simply Tidy. They also have the colorful one down here. Yeah, that box is a little open, but there's some that are not open right here for $79.99. They also have like these panel shelving right here. Now this is 40% off all craft modular craft storage by Simply Tidy. It's 40% off. So if you look here, for $29.99, it is going to be $17.99, and for the rolling cart, which was $79.99, it is going to be $47.99. So that's pretty much a steal if you ask me. Just make sure that what was the price, and how you check that is, look, I want to show you guys something. So look and see if there's going to be anything behind it, because sometimes they put out this new price, but the other price is right behind it. So y'all need to be checking these prices before you pick up stuff off the in the store before you pick stuff up off the shelf. Now let's go over here to these portable file boxes. So these portable file boxes is $14.99. It's the Iris portable file boxes. Regular price was $24.99, so that's $10 off there. Now these show like the photo keepers, the 16 case photo keeper. Regular price is $41.99. It's more than half off for these. It's at $16.99, and they have lots of colors. These are all by Simply Tidy right here. You have your greens up here. I have some of these at home. You have your pinks, and then you have your clear or white down here. They also have the 12 by 12 scrapbook cases for $4.99. Regular price is $9.99. More than 50% off there that you can get as well. So yeah, and now you guys always ask me about these These are like I'm gonna show you guys this, but remember the project bags that I always show you guys? You guys could get 3 of them, which is pouch set. And these are on sale for 40% off, which is $7.99 right here. But I will say get them off of Amazon because they are cheaper. Let's continue to some yarn and things. You guys, so I just look at this Gramercy card. Look, you could hang scissors and your Cricut stuff on here, Cricut, your vinyl. This is cool. This is $79.99 minus 40% off. So you're looking at about $47.99. Yes, yes. Let's continue on some more sales at Michael's. All right, you guys, so I found some more yarn. This is on sale for $9.99 at Michael's. This is the loops and thread yarn. Now, I don't know if it's a sale or not, but it's 472 yards of yarn, which is a lot. Okay, so check it out at Michael's and see if it fits what you're looking for. For my individuals who are all about the Cricut, okay? You guys are making things with these Cricuts out here. Shirts, mugs, tumblers, you name it. They have some stuff for you in Michael's. Now check your local Michael's because every Michael's is treated differently. So I'm just gonna say check your local Michael's to see if they have this much stuff that I am seeing in different Michael's around the Orlando area. Now, if you guys are happy planner, I'm gonna say happy planners are not on sale, okay? But you can get some happy planner stickers between $19.99 and I wanna say roughly about $21.99, I'm sorry. And then you can also get the happy planner books for $34.99, or you can make your own on canva.com. Don't sleep on Canva because Canva is amazing. I just wanted to put that out there. But yeah, your happy planners and your Cricut machines right there for you to grab some things. All right, let's continue. All right, that quarters $1.99. Ooh, look at this one. This flamingo is cute. This one's cute too. But yeah, $1.99 for fat quarters. So let's get into these notions at Michael's. So we have an all-purpose foot for $15.99. Not too much of a sale. A bobbin case for $12.99. That's not a sale either. But you could pick up some bobbins for $3.99 right here. And then when you look over here, they have needles, like universal needles for $3.99 right here. And then they also have like the regular and ballpoint, the double, for $9.99. Still cheaper than Joann, so just take a look at that if you're looking for some needles. Let's talk about sewing machines. So these sewing machine, this heavy duty one, I know many of you guys already have, is $189.99. They also have the Singer C5650 for $179. This is your time, you know, early Christmas presents, you guys, and just wait until Christmas time and then surprise somebody and be like, surprise, I bought you a sewing machine. But this one right here is Singer's M1500, $129 there. So they have a few of them at Michael's. Just check out your local Michael's store and see if you can find anything. All right, so for my artists or paint girlies, okay, look, you guys get a whole bunch of brushes right here. Artist Loft 12 piece. That bad boy is $11.99. They also have some brushes right here for $5.99. Now, listen, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm surfing through here, not seeing a lot of amazing stills, but you guys know if it's cheaper than Joann's, run your happy tail on over to Michael's and score. I'm here for you, okay? Now, everything that was on clearance right here, that was $7, it is no longer here. It is definitely gone. So I'm going to definitely say march over to Joann's. I'm sorry, march over to Michael's, not Joann's, and see what you can score. So for my knitters, I am here for you, boo boo. Yes, yes, I am. So I'm over here looking at the needles, like the loop needles, for knitting and a little bit of crocheting and things of that nature. But you can find the needles over here for $4.49. So this one right here, $4.49. You also have some knit needles up at the top for $5.99. Your crocheters $2.49 for a hook there. So just look in Michael's and see what you can definitely score. Now lastly, let's look at some Velcro and Notion. So Velcro is running about $7.99 at Michael's. You have your freight check for $4.49. You also have your liquid stitch for $6.99 up there at the top right here. And then you also have like some stabilizers. Now stabilizers normally run at Joann's $9.99 and up, but check this out. It's $3.99, $9.99. Joann's been getting over for a very, very, very long time. Okay, they have like fabric stiffener. That's $14.99 right there. Like, you guys, now that you look at different prices, you're like, hold up, I've been ripped off this entire time for almost a decade. No, I wouldn't say that. It's just basically, when we know, and we just do better, okay? So they have zippers right here. 7 inches $1.99, 14 inches $2.49, and 22 inches $2.99. You might as well get 22-inch and call it a day and cut the rest of it off. I'm just saying. You're welcome. Buttons is running anywhere from $3.99 and up to $4.49. They also have some thread. If you missed out on the Joann's thread, you could get some thread there as well. And thread range in price. I'm looking for the price for you guys. I do not see a price on thread. Oh, $2.99 right here. So you could get a couple of things of thread. If you're just running in and need something real quick, you could get thread here as well. They have needles and pens. Look at that selection, y'all. Okay, Michael's. I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. Let's go over here to their cutting mats and rotary cutters. Their cutting mats is ranging about $22.99 to $79.99, depending on what you're getting. Still, this one right here is cheaper than Joann's. I purchased one from Joann's when they were at 60% off. Regular price was $79.99. I got it for about $36, and I believe it's this one right here that's $59.99. So I still got mine at a steal, but not a really good deal. If you know, you know. All right. Let's talk about these rotary cutter blades. Look at the price. So this one right here is $8.49. Why are the blades at Joann's right now? It's $29.99 for the same thing. Like, what, Joann's? What are you doing? All right, so let's talk about these rotary cutters. $24.99, $19.99, $12.99. I have lots of rotary cutters, so I don't need any rotary cutters. Scissors. They have scissors. Look at that. They have lots of scissors and Michael, so check out the scissors. All right, let's go on over to our best friend. This is like my best friend right here in sewing. This is called the Seam Ripper. It's $4.49. I know you guys are like, what, best friend? Yes, it stays next to me. Okay, we go together like Bonnie and Clyde. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at.